Welcome back to Autocar Review, your go-to destination for the latest, greatest, and most exciting cars the world has to offer. Today, we're diving into something truly special, something that defines Italian excellence, power, and unmatched elegance. Get ready, because we're taking you deep into the world of the 2026 Ferrari V12 GTS. A car that doesn't just command the road, it owns it. Let's begin with the first thing anyone notices, the design. The 2026 Ferrari V12 GTS is, without exaggeration, automotive art. Ferrari has refined its grand touring convertible to a level of sophistication that borders on obsessive. The proportions are perfect. The long muscular hood stretches out like a predator ready to pounce, while the short rear deck adds balance and flair. The design is aggressive yet graceful, with aerodynamics that flow like the lines of a sculpture. The front grille is wide and low, flanked by ultra-slim LED matrix headlights that give the car a piercing gaze. Subtle creases on the side hint at the power beneath the surface, and at the back, Ferrari's signature quad taillights and center exit exhaust pipes scream performance. But the real magic lies in the roof, or rather, the lack of it. The 812 GTS remains the only V12 front-engine spider in Ferrari's lineup, and with its retractable hardtop roof that opens in just 14 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 30 mph, you get the best of both worlds. Top-down cruising with the unmistakable roar of a naturally aspirated V12 filling your ears is not just a driving experience, it's a symphony. Under that long, sculpted hood lies the heart of the beast, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine that produces a jaw-dropping 830 horsepower and 530 lb-ft of torque. That's an increase from previous years, thanks to precision tuning, lighter internals, and improved airflow. This engine is a love letter to enthusiasts, revving all the way to a screaming 9,500 RPM. No turbochargers, no hybrid assists, just raw mechanical purity. The 2026 812 GTS launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.8 seconds and pushes past 211 mph at full tilt. But numbers only tell part of the story. What truly makes this car extraordinary is how it delivers that performance. Ferrari's 7-speed dual-clutch transmission is lightning fast and buttery smooth, delivering power to the rear wheels with precision. Downshifts are as addictive as the upshifts, and every gear change feels like a celebration of speed. Step inside the cabin and you're greeted by a luxurious blend of technology and craftsmanship. Ferrari's latest infotainment system is seamlessly integrated into a redesigned dash, which now features dual displays, one for the driver and another for the passenger. It's all about connection, to the car, to the road, and to the thrill of driving. The flat-bottom steering wheel comes packed with all the key functions: drive mode selector, turn signals, engine start button, and the infamous Manettino dial, all within thumb's reach, just like in a Formula One car. The seats are sculpted for performance driving, but offer excellent comfort for long-distance journeys. Upholstered in premium Italian leather with carbon fiber trim accents throughout, the interior exudes elegance. There's a clear focus on the driver, but Ferrari hasn't forgotten the finer details. Every stitch, every material feels bespoke. It's not overdone, it's balanced, refined, and unmistakably Ferrari. Now, let's talk about driving dynamics. Ferrari's engineers have worked their magic once again. The 2026 812 GTS comes equipped with side-slip control 7.0, rear wheel, steering, and the latest version of Ferrari's active aerodynamic system. What does that mean for you? Simply put, it handles like a dream. Whether you're slicing through mountain roads, tearing up a racetrack, or cruising down the coast, the 812 GTS responds with sharpness, poise, and confidence. The steering is precise and communicative, and despite being a grand tourer, the chassis feels incredibly agile. And thanks to an improved magneto-rheological suspension system, the 812 GTS absorbs imperfections on the road without sacrificing handling performance. You can push this car to its limits and still feel in control, whether you're a seasoned driver or simply someone who appreciates the art of driving. Ferrari has also made strides in efficiency and sustainability. While a V12 will never be mistaken for an eco-car, the 2026 GTS includes improved start-stop technology, cylinder deactivation at cruising speeds, and lighter, more recyclable materials throughout the body and chassis. It's not a hybrid, and it doesn't pretend to be. But it shows Ferrari's commitment to keeping the soul of the naturally aspirated V12 alive while acknowledging the future of performance cars. Now, let's talk about the sound. If you've ever heard a Ferrari V12 at full throttle, you know it's not just noise, it's music. The 2026 812 GTS features a refined exhaust system that enhances the naturally aspirated scream of the engine, especially with the roof down. From a gentle purr at idle to a full-on wail at redline, this car sounds like nothing else on the road. It's a visceral experience that no electric vehicle can replicate. For those looking to personalize their 812 GTS, Ferrari offers the full range of tailor-made customization options. From bespoke paint finishes to custom interior materials and trims, the possibilities are nearly endless. You can make your 812 GTS truly one of a kind, an extension of your own personality. And of course, a Ferrari is more than just a car. It's a status symbol. The 2026 model elevates that prestige to another level. This is a vehicle that turns heads in every city, on every road, and in every country. People stop and stare, not because it's flashy, but because it's iconic. Because it represents something greater. Passion, performance, perfection. With production expected to be limited and demand soaring, getting your hands on one of these masterpieces won't be easy or cheap. Prices are expected to start well above $400,000, depending on the options you choose. But for those who can afford it, the 812 GTS isn't just a car. It's a lifestyle, a statement, and possibly the last of a dying breed of pure V12-powered Grand Tourers without hybridization. As we move toward a future of electrification, the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS stands as a glorious reminder of what made us fall in love with cars in the first place. The feel of a naturally aspirated engine, the connection between man and machine, the thrill of hearing 12 cylinders sing as the sun sets behind you. It's not just nostalgia, it's living history. So if you're looking for a car that combines mind-blowing performance, seductive design, open-top freedom, and a legacy that stretches back to Ferrari's golden age, the 2026 8112 GTS is your answer. It's loud, it's fast, it's bold, and above all, it's pure Ferrari. Thanks for watching Autocar Review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell.